Assalamu alaikum, grade 2, and a very good morning to all of you. How are you all doing? Great. That's very good. So, welcome to the last lecture of first term. Yes. So, today we will be ending our syllabus, and then in the next week, inshallah, we will be doing the revision of the whole chapters, and then we will be practicing some work as well, right? So, before that, before next week, I want you to practice the things over the weekend and let me know if you have any confusion, because during the revision time, if there is anything that you want me to revise, you want me to re-explain, we will practice it together, right? So let's first finish our syllabus. And who is going to tell me that what was the topic we covered in the last class? Yes, what was that? We were, yes, excellent. We worked on the table of two, right? We practiced how we can write in the form of twos and threes. So how many of you have revised the table at your home? Very well done. So let's quickly revise that. Who is going to tell me what is 2 times 4? 2 times 4 equals 8. Excellent. 2 times 6 equals 12. Very well done. 2 times 5 equals 10. Excellent, Sarah. Then we have 2 times 8 equals 16. Very well done. Okay. So now we will be practicing threes, fours, fives, and six, right? So this means that in this term, you are supposed to revise and remember the tables from 2 till 6, right? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 5 tables will be included in your this term. So you are supposed to memorize it. So tell me how many of you know these tables already? Raise your hands. That's amazing. So very well done. So we will do with some practice of them together in the class. So we have already learned in our last lecture that how we can multiply two numbers. Basically, we are practicing multiplication, right? Which is the third, yes, third number operation. Excellent. So I told you that multiplication is repeated addition, right? What we do, let's say when I ask you that 2 times 6, this means that you are supposed to add 2 how many times? 6 times. So this means 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 and 2. So how many of them are there? 3, 3, 6. So when you will add this 2 times 6, this is 2 times 6, and this is equals to 12. So this is how we multiply two numbers, that we add the same number how many times which is required by us. Got it? So like we practiced the table of 2, in today's class we will be practicing the table of 3, 4, 5, and 6. This is very simple. Okay, so we will be following the same thing together again and again. Let's say now if I talk about the table of 3, how will we start? So look at the board here. I have pasted 3 apples. And if I ask you about any number from this table, right, from the table of 3, what you are supposed to do, you are supposed to count these 3 apples again and again, whatever the value is required. Let's say I ask you 3 times 4. This means that 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, right? So what you will be doing, you will start counting from here. First count once, 1, 2, 3, and put a cross on it. Now start from 4, not from 1 again. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this means 3 times 4 is equal to 12. Got it? Similarly, if I ask you 3 times 7, this means that you are supposed to count 3 how many times? 7 times. Very well done. 6 and 7, right? So start counting from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. This means that 3 times 7 is equal to 21. This is how we practice the tables, right? Now, instead of 3, let's say if I paste one more apple over here. Now, let's practice the table of 4 as well. What if I ask you that tell me what is 4 times 5?
4 times 5, right? So what this means that you are supposed to add 4 how many times? 5 times. Excellent. So let's start counting from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then put a cross on it, right? 5, 6, 7, 8, and then again cross. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. This means that 4 times 5 is equal to 20. Got it? This is how we practice tables. Now let's say if I put 5 apples over here, you can practice the table of 5 with that. If I put 6 over here, you can practice the table of that. But because in the table, in the paper, or while doing some normal questions of multiplication, you are not provided with the things, so you are supposed to remember these values as well, that 4 times 5 is equal to 20, 4 times 6 is equal to 24, 4 times 9 is equal to 36. You are supposed to memorize this as well, right? We will be practicing this with the help of figures, but on normal basis you are supposed to memorize these tables. Starting from 2, you are supposed to memorize the table of 2, then 3, then 4, 5, and 6. These 5 tables should be on your fingertips. Got it? Okay. Now let me add one more apple over here and we will practice it with the table of 5 as well. What if I ask you, what is 5 times 6? So how will you tell me the answer of it? 5 times 6 means that we are supposed to add 5 6 times. So this means 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 and 6 times, right? Now we will start counting from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we will put a cross on it. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. This means 5 times 6 is equal to 30. Got it? Okay. Now I want you to open your book, page number 57. This is page number 57. We will together practice the table of threes and fours on this page. So the numbers are, it starts from 3, then 6, then 9. The boxes are already colored with yellow color. You can choose the color of your own choice, and you can use the same color, which is yellow as well. And yes, color the blocks by following the same fashion that you are supposed to follow the table of 3. Add 3 every time in the number. Let's say add 3 in 9, you will get the next number. Then add 3 in 12, you will get the next number. Then add 3 in that number, you will get the next number. And keep on coloring till 100. Hurry up and let me know when you are done. All of you are done? Okay, great. Now do the same with the table of fours as well. Now you are supposed to add 4 every time. Got it? The first number is 4, then 8. Now add 4 in 8 and tell me what's the next number. 12. Excellent. Now add 4 in 12 and tell me what's the next number. 16. Excellent. You will be following the same practice and color till 100. Hurry up. All of you are done? Now doing the same practice, you are supposed to color the 5s and 6, which is on page number 58 at your home. This is your home assignment, and I'll be checking it in the tomorrow's class. Now before ending the lecture, let's do a small activity of practicing these 2s and 3s. I'm going to share the screen with you. Show me a thumbs up if it is visible to you or not. Okay. Okay, is my screen visible to you or not? Is it? Okay, excellent. Now start practicing. 2, then 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. Very well done. Now count by threes. 3, then 6, then 9, 12, 15, and 18. Very well done. Now let's practice with fours. 4, then 8, then 12. Excellent. What after when we add 4 and 12? 16. Excellent. Then 20 and 24. Very well done. Now let's practice by counting in the fives. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30. Very well done. So see, we have practiced till. Yes. Now you will be following the same practice and you will be doing the 5s and 6 at your home, which is on page number 58. Do note it down on your notebooks and I'll be checking in tomorrow's class. Hope you guys enjoyed the lecture. Do share this video with others because it's free learning. Do good and have good. I'll be seeing you in tomorrow, inshallah. Take care. Allah Hafiz.